Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and put mid-roll ads on YouTube videos. First of all, what you have to do is go to youtube.com and sign in with your YouTube account, and then click on your profile picture on the top right corner and then click on YouTube Studio. To open Google or you open YouTube Studio, a new page will open. From here, what you have to do is simply click on content, and on this page all you have to do is find a video which is longer than 8 minutes. For instance, this video is longer than 8 minutes. So what I have to do is simply select that video, and then I will go to the monetization tab, and I have to turn the monetization of this video from off to turn on. Click on next, and then select none of the above and click on submit. And then all you have to do is click on show mid-roll ads during my video. Check the box, click on manage ad slots. A new window will appear. All you have to do is select any point within the video. For instance, if I want to add an ad slot in this section at 1 minute 30 seconds, and then I will click on insert ad slot. Now I have added an ad break in the 1 minute and 29 second slot, and then I will scrub again and click on insert ad slot, and I can add as much slots as I want. And that's simply how you can turn on and put mid-roll ads on YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.